Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Visual channel. Today we are going to see how to append multiple CSV files into single. So let's start. Let me show you my CSV files. These three CSV files we are going to use for this tutorial: France, Japan and USA. Let me show you what's inside that file. For Japan file there is serial number, deal date, customer, sales. For USA the column names are same, and again for France also the column names are same. So this is, before you are going to append the files, you have to ensure that your data columns must be the same. On that column name the data will be going to append. Okay, so let's start. Click on get data. Now I want to append my files from the folder, so I will click on folder and let's give the path here. Click on OK. Now you can see all my files from the folder are listed here. So we are ready to go, and click on combine to combine all the data into one table. So we will click on combine and transform data. Yeah, click on OK. Now click on transform data. Now this is our data append. Okay, so this is automatically generated. I have done nothing here. Okay, so in first column you can see the file name. Previously it was not there, but it is automatically generated, that file name. If you want to keep it, you can keep it, or remove. If you don't want it, you can just remove it. Okay, but I will keep this source name, but I don't want that .csv. So what I will do, go to transform, split column by delimiter. So we will use the delimiter custom. We will give dot and click OK. So now my column is separated with delimiter of dot. Now this second column is created for CSV, so I don't want it, remove it. And yeah, we will get our source name. I will keep this source name as only source, and for serial name it is not required for me, so I will remove it. You can see the last row is null, so what we will do, we will remove bottom row, and we have to give how many number of rows we have to remove it. So we have only one row we have to remove, so click 1 here, click OK. Now our data is good to go for visualization. Let me just change the name here, append data. Okay, and now we will click on close and apply, and now we will wait for the data load. Okay, once it is loaded, then we are ready for our visualization. Let's wait. Yeah, it is done. You can see here our column name in the data view. Let's see. Yeah, our data is here, so we can use this data for our visualization. Let me show you some visualization. So what I will do, first I will use some slicer for the source. So you can see here is France, Japan, USA is there. Let me use one column chart. So in column chart I will use the customer and our sale. So yes, our simple column chart is also ready. So you can see all the companies are listed here. If you want to use the slicer for France, then we will filter our company for France only. If you want to use for Japan, only USA. In that way you can use your data after appending for your visualization. So that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye guys.